everyone. In my last video, I explained the basic concept of Heron's formula. Today, I am solving class 9, chapter 12, exercise 12.1. Question number 1. A traffic signal board indicated school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its parameter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Signal board is in the shape of equilateral triangle of side A unit. A, B, C. The value of A is A, the value of B is A, the value of C is A. We find S. S means semi-parameter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2 is equal to A plus A upon 2 is equal to 3A upon 2. Area of signal board is equal to square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C unit square. S is 3A upon 2, 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A, 3A upon 2 minus A. We take the LCM. 3A upon 2, 2, 3A minus 2A, 2, 3A minus 2A, 2, 3A minus 2A, unit square. Square root 3A upon 2 into 3A minus 2A is A upon 2 into A upon 2 into A upon 2 unit square. We make the pairs A upon 2 and A upon 2. Root 3 into A upon 2 into A upon 2 unit square. Area is equal to root 3 upon 4 A square unit square. In this question, parameter is 180 meter. Parameter of equilateral triangle is 3A. 3A is equal to 180 meter. A is equal to 180 upon 3, 60 meter. Area is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 60 into 60 meter square. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. 9,000 root 3, 900 root 3 centimeter square. Okay. In our next question, find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the parameter is 42 centimeter. It means A is equal to 18 centimeter, B is equal to 10 centimeter and parameter is equal to 42 centimeter. Parameter of a triangle is sum of three sides. A plus B plus C is equal to parameter. 18 plus 10 plus C is equal to 42. 28 plus C is equal to 42. C is equal to 42 minus 28, 14. Next we find S. S is equal to P upon 2. Parameter is 42. 42 upon 2 is equal to 21 centimeter. Area of a triangle is equal to square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C unit square. 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, 21 minus 14 centimeter square. 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3 into 11 into 7 centimeter square. We make the prime factors of these numbers. 3 sevens are 21. 3 into 11 into 7. Make the pairs. 3 into 7 into 11 का पेयर नहीं है. रूट 11 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 21 रूट 11 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द आंसर. In our next question, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and the parameter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Ratio is given. A:2, B:2, C is equal to 12:17:25. जब भी हम रेशियो से सेपरेट करते हैं, एक अननोन नंबर होता है, उसको हम x लेते हैं. लेट A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x and C is equal to 25x. Parameter is equal to 540 centimeter. A plus B plus C is equal to 540 centimeter. 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 centimeter. 54x is equal to 540 centimeter. X is equal to 540 upon 54, 10 centimeter. Now A is equal to 2 into 10, 20 centimeter. Sorry, A is equal to 12x. 12 into 10 is equal to 120 centimeter. B is equal to 17 into 10, 170 centimeter. C is equal to 25 into 10 is equal to 250 centimeter. Now we find S. S is equal to P upon 2. S is equal to 540 upon 2, 270. Area is equal to square root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250 centimeter square. 270 into 270 में से 120 माइनस हो गए 150 into 100 into 20 centimeter square. We make the factors 27. 3 into 3 into 3 into 10. 150. 3 into 5 into 10. 100. 10 into 10. 20. 2 into 5 into 2. We make the pairs. 3, 10, next 10, 5, 3 into 2 centimeter square. 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 into 100 is 9000 centimeter square. Okay, thank you.